The OSI model. 7 layers that can be remembered by the acronym Please Do Not Throw Sausage Pizza Away, or Physical, Data Link, Network, Transport, Session, Presentation, and Application. The physical layer defines electric and physical specifications for a device. In particular, it defines the relationship between a device and a transmission medium, such as copper or optical cable. This includes the layout of pins, voltages, cable specifications, hubs, repeaters, network adapters, host bus adapters, and it's used in storage area networks. The data link layer provides functional and procedural methods to transfer data between network entities and to detect possible correct errors that may occur in the physical layer. Originally, this layer was intended for point-to-point and point-to-multipoint media, characteristics of wide area media and telephone system. The network layer provides the functional procedural methods of transferring variable length data sequences from a source host on the network to a destination host on a different network, while maintaining the quality service requested by the transport layer. The network layer performs network routing functions and might also perform fragmentation and reassembly and reports delivery errors. The transport layer provides transparent transfer of data between end users, providing reliable data transfer services to the upper layers. The transport layer controls the reliability of a given link through flow control, segmentation, desegmentation, and error control. OSI defines 5 classes of connection mode, transport protocols ranging from class 0, which is known as TP0 and provides the least features, to class 4, TP4 designed for less reliable networks similar to the internet. Class 0 contains no error recovery and was designed for use on network layers that provide error-free connections. Class 4 is closest to TCP, although TCP contains functions such as the graceful close, which OSI assigns to the session layer. The session layer controls the dialogues connections between computers. It establishes, manages, and terminates the connections between the local and remote application. It provides for full duplex, half duplex, or simplex operation, and establishes checkpointing, adjourning, termination, and restart procedures. The presentation layer establishes context between application layer entities in which the higher layer entities may use different syntax and semantics if the presentation service provides a mapping between them. If a mapping is available, presentation service data units are encapsulated into session protocol data units and passed down to the stack. And finally, the last layer of the OSI model, the application layer. The application layer is the OSI layer closest to the end user, which means that both the OSI application layer and the user interact directly with the software application. This layer interacts with software applications that implement communicating component. Such application programs fall outside the scope of the OSI model. Application layer functions typically include identifying communication partners, determining source availability, and synchronizing communication.